In this video, we are going to look into how you can get to view someone's status on WhatsApp without them knowing that you're watching them. So the first thing you're going to do, you need to head to your WhatsApp application. You make sure you have the latest version so that this one can get to work out for you. Before you get into that, if you do love my videos and you find them valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that each and every time I have a new upload, you always be notified. So let's proceed to our WhatsApp application. This is my WhatsApp application, as you can get to see right here. So the first thing I want you to do once you're on your application, I need you to come to these three buttons right here on the top, and I want you to head to the settings option. So when you are here, there's another thing you need to make sure you get to scroll to. You get to look for the privacy section. You can see it's right here. So on the privacy section, you need to head till get to scroll down here till whereby you're going to see the read receipt button. So make sure it's turned on so that every time you get to see somebody's WhatsApp status, they don't your name doesn't appear on the view the people who have viewed their status. You can see if you turn off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for the group chats. So you make sure it's you make sure you turn on the button, you turn off the button. So make sure you get to turn it off. So let me just open my internet. Make sure you get to turn it off. It's taking a bit long since my internet I'm offline right now. So make sure this button is turned off so that every time you get to see somebody's status, they don't reflect on your phone that you have already watched their status. So that's how easy it is on how to see somebody's status without them seeing. Let me just I've already turned off, so nobody can get to see me as I get to see or to watch their status.